Hi, this video is going to be on the shortcodes for changing fonts and colors and stuff like that within Cornerstone. So here this is the home page, and I'm already in Cornerstone. So for instance, obviously, if it's a headline, H2, H3, whatever, you may already know this, but if you wanted to make that a bigger font, then you would just change the header into a different H1, H2, H3, that sort of thing. And if you wanted to change this color, they make it really easy to just go in and switch it here for text color, and that's the header. That's if you wanted to do it that way. Right now, this font is in, I think it's Lato, or Railway, I can't remember which. But if you wanted to change this font just within this element here, you would go to Style, and I'm going to send you these different shortcodes, but it would be Font Family, Arial, or whatever the font family is that you'd want to change it to. Let's find some text. So this text here, this is, again, it would be Style. We're going to change it to, say, Arial. Not a big difference, but if you wanted, they don't make it as easy to change the font color, so it's the same concept. It would just be, instead of the font, you'd say color and then this, and it would change it to whatever color you'd want it to be. And again, I'll give you the short code for that. And if you wanted to change the font size, let me get the code for that. I just keep these on a spreadsheet, and that way I can just copy and paste it. But if we wanted to make it, say, 20 and change the color, so now the font size would be 20 instead of what it was. So that's how you do that. I'll also show you, because I'm going to send you some other short codes. Okay, so this picture right here, I think I've used a short code in Style. Yeah. So this is, let me show you why. Okay, so if I didn't have that short code, this is the size of that picture, and I wanted all the pictures to be the same. So I did this short code here where it has the max width of 250 and then the rest of the code here. So I think I've done it on all of them, so they're all the same size. Yeah. So I'll send you that short code, but you can do that on any image on the website. You can change and you can, let's say we wanted to make this middle picture bigger. With this short code, you can do any size. If I did the max 550, then it would go larger. But these are set to, the thumbnails are set to certain sizes, and so this helps if you want to make things all a different size or all the same size. I also did it on the book pages. Some of the book images that I got off the internet were larger than I wanted to, so that I put some short code on some of that to make it. So what else do I have? I have one more short code that I use a lot. Sorry, I'll go back to home page here. So let's see if I used it here. No, I didn't. So it's a margin reduction, because for whatever reason, Xtheme sometimes puts these really large margins, and I like to make them a little bit smaller. And like, I can make this, I can change that to be up there, but if I wanted it really close, it's already as close as they'll allow me to be there. So if I just click on that and I copy this short code. You can see it puts it all the way up there. It's really helpful if you've got like the page we were working on, the product development. If you didn't like some of the margins on here, like you could go into here and copy the short code and it would put it closer to here and change the depth or the space in between those two. So that's what that short code is. So anyway, hopefully that helps. Oh, just one thing on the color short code, you want to make sure you've got the pound and then whatever usually the 6-digit code for that color is. So like on here, it only gives you the RGB or the RGBA, but you'll want to make sure that you've got the like what was the one I was doing, copy. It doesn't go in class, it goes in styles, but I just wanted to show you it's this, the number sign, and then this code, the 6-digit color code. That's what you'll need for font colors. Anyway, hopefully this helps. Thanks.